Bye, honey, come. Food already. Food is ready. Let's eat the breakfast.
What kind of food is that?
So, guys, I made this one for me. So, I made this one for myself. It's still very early in the morning, it's till 10. So, I make padaya and soup for my husband. So, let's see his reaction. It's coming. Come now, they wait for you. It's coming. It's coming.
Yes, my love.
Oh, yeah, come. We'll eat. We get my tea. Let's see. You sit down for this side.
Put it down.
Don't eat chair now.
Sure, I cook more for a second.
I make padayam and soup for you. So this one about this egg and.
You make padaya this morning. I don't start for you. Which time? I tell you to go and make breakfast. Now, who get this one?
Ha! I want to lose weight to her because I don't get too fat. So you too the skin. I want to make you add.
Ah, Satan, why? I need to
Who they call Satan?
I need to call your father. Because this kind of money time, I don't know why you will be giving me padayam and what is this?
Now come on the inside now. Make I do the camera well.
It's too early now. Why you try to do like this?
Check am now. You don't see the kind of meat when I pack for inside.
Call your sister self.
You want call sister?
No, because all those kind of things.
Because now you they complain say I too add weight and they try to lose weight. I don't want to eat fufu again. I don't repent for fufu. Why you call the shop the meat kwano? First start with the padayam. I make I enjoy my food. You can say, my wife, thank you very much. This food is so nice. I like the soup and this thing. When I see the soup.
Don't touch my food.
See the soup or
You the soup.
yeah, I show my viewers. I didn't film and I miss I didn't film. I enjoy the food. I like the soup.
Okay, guys, come and eat with me, guys. Okay?
What do you have to say? The breakfast was right, I'll be wrong.
For giving me anyway.
Fufu.
Yeah. I don't tire. How you just give me this kind?
I want me to add weight. Very fat.
They tell you saying na food you will make me get good. You can't tie down.
You ask me, this man is when I put self. You get many fats. This man soup. You want to test them? If I say this thing where you make this soup too good. Too much sense.
No food talk. Let me enjoy my
Enjoy. No, they say I'm
They see what you.
Put the soup right on the soup. No,
Too big. I'll call my friend just now. Make one join me. My friend they come.
But I don't lose weight. I don't have the hard one. So thank you guys for watching my video all the time. I really appreciate it. So now I don't finish with my exam. So I wait for the certificate to come out. So I'll know the next step to take. So maybe before ending of this, new motor will enter, so the certificate will come out. Touch your mouth. Touch your mouth. What I told you that.
What is that? Ah, the stuff I tell
What
Mom.
is that? The kiss. I think what I did was bad. I would just prepare fufu this early morning for this man. Sorry, my love. Oh, God. What is that? I'll tell you to the kiss. It's coming back. I made this soup yesterday. I've not tested it. Before we come back, let me use Thai and test the soup. It's coming. It's not coming. It's coming. Very coming. I swear to God, this bread, I don't know. It's coming, it's coming.
See this woman. You say you want to juice. You are eating my padayama this. You don't know I'm seeing you. I have camera here.
Which camera am I seeing?
You don't know say I have camera here. I'm looking at you. You are eating everything just for me to go and say hello to the people who is pressing my bell to check how I'm doing. You see? As I go there now, the person na wrong address
No,
they go. So not be here.
I believe saying that children in this store.
No. You don't come vandalize my food.
No, I
like
don't touch
this.
your food.
This
God
woman.
forbid. I eat padayam this morning.
Money when I tell they feed you for this place, you don't reach me to buy 5+ land. Every day you consume many things here.
No, I didn't touch the food. To be sincere, I don't touch your padayam. Make I ask the
How
fish.
can you be sincere? What you do your house?
No, not be soup. Ah, this will not be bread.
So bread don't become mature because they produce oil, abi?
No.
So there is palm oil now in the bread.
Can't be like say the soup they enter my eyes.
The entire no wonder the Samofa big past community food. Just more before you go call my name for Nako.
We got comfort. Me I eat padayam. Can't do without padayam. I mean, they eat all the food when they so I ask no.
Thank you, say you know.
Bless you. When you go stop full. Swear to God.
I expect that. I'm Kaleko.
This I never touched test soup since I
Pepper is very nice.
the soup now 100 over 100.
Yes. But this one I can't they make me. I want to go sleep again. I want to go and sleep again.
Why?
I'm feeling sleepy. I'm tired. Oh my love. I have to go and sleep. Do you know eating salmon in the morning makes somebody sleep?
Sorry. Every moment you sleep, me you not come off house.
Oh, sit down. Why?
I think my phone will say for
Hi. Are you Jezebel?
At the day you know say I be Jezebel.
Oh, God.
At the day you know say I be Jezebel. So if a person just see me and you, but you know say you dey eat. But you know say you dey eat.
Who come word when you go say no dey eat? God say make everybody dey eat now.
But I don't see the food for your body.
That one when they talk so, now wasting of time. My body is natural. So I'm not the fake my body for anything. Who see me go to say I be 5 years old, some will say I be a mama, some will say power no go dey with them, not be by you big. So you big, you know big, not be that one.
But you just talking about me,
What
they
matter is the engine. It's what in you know. As a man.
but you start saying, now you. I don't eat all the food. But you too, you dey eat them. All the spaghetti when I cook, 2 pack of spaghetti, don't be eating. I eat them.
I'm okay.
Full? I bet I'm going to eat them. The miss.
No, it's okay, I'm fine. Don't.
This camera.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. You can see I'm round up with the food.
My husband is done eating.
Have a lovely day.
Why not, Sean? That's food when I've been at the meat no waste. Cannot waste. Water. Thank you guys for watching. Good to see you guys in my next video.